name's Aryana Valdez. I'm the Operations Manager for the United ISD Child Nutrition Department, and I'm here with
Michelle Vaughn. I am the Wellness Coordinator from Blue Cross for United ISD.
And today we're here to make 4 healthy holiday side dishes that you can modify so you can still get the food you love, but in a healthier option. And we're starting with our healthy turkey sausage stuffing. We know everybody loves mashed potatoes, but a healthy alternative is cauliflower potato mash, which is our next recipe.
Our next recipe is baked green beans drizzled in avocado oil with almonds and Italian seasoning.
We're going to be starting with a poached apple, so that will be an alternative to your apple pie. And to recap, we've made the turkey stuffing, some healthy green beans, some cauliflower potato mash, and of course our poached apple dessert.
We hope that you enjoyed these healthy holiday recipes. Happy holidays!
Mm-hmm.